Come on, now that we've been elevated by that talent, we're going to bring the talent we have live right here and perform because it is a hit song. It's Anda and it is for all of us Mzansi. So please give it up once again from Francois van Cooke! Yeah!
Ons gaan hierdie ene speel by die Francois van Cooke Vriende Show vir die eerste keer as deel van die show saam met ons vriend Reino Velvet. Ja, sy naam is Anda.
Ek vind nog my voete, vind my voete as jy my skop, vastgedraai besete, alarm weer galm in my kop, voel jy nog die aarde, wat onder jou beweeg, volg jy nog die route, waar moordenaars kan breek. Doen jy nog die moeite om die wêreld te kan stop, sodra alles soet is, gaan het dadelik na jou kom, werk aan ons beroerte, en hou wat my uitklop, maak die rotse klippe, en geef vir my die stof. Here we go! Ons sien saam ons onvermoë, ons sal kry wat ons verdien, as ek jou net weer kan. Hierdie aande vreet my op, en ek bloei nog, en ek bloei nog as jy op. Hierdie aande vreet my op, en ek bloei nog, en ek bloei nog as jy op. Stop my op, as jy op. Sien jy daar, Sunbet Arena, 3 Oktober.
Yes, please, man. Late, but never forgetting the fact that this is all the reason for you all to get involved in this tour. It's new music, it's for us and for everybody to celebrate. So you've got every reason to get involved in it. I can't thank you enough for doing the most, guys. Absolutely giving us the energy we needed, and it's not going anywhere. So big one here. Yes, please, Mzansi, don't go anywhere. A lot of the magic is still going to continue right here on your Feel Good Breakfast show. We've got just over half an hour. So there is a lot that still could be coming your way. And that means you're all going to get prepped up, and we're going to spruce you up with maybe some coffee. So we'll see you around the corner. Don't go anywhere.